nagpe-pray tayo ng patience sa Panginoon, saan tayo nilalagay ng Diyos? Sa traffic. Sa mahabang pila. Di ba? Kapag nagpe-pray tayo na, Lord, give me a heart that loves just like you. Lord, give me a heart that breaks for what breaks yours. Yes naman. Saan tayo nilalagay ng Lord? Sa church. Because the church is full of unloving people just like you and just like me. In praying for strength, Lord, patatagin mo yung puso ko. Lord, I want to be able. Gusto ko, Lord, na makayanan ko lahat ng mga pagsubok sa buhay ko. Naku, napakahirap, napaka-dangerous na prayer, kapatid. Saan tayo nilalagay ng Panginoon? Hardships, storms in life. Some peace can only be learned in chaos. Amen? Paano mo nga naman maiintindihan ang peace that transcends understanding if you are in comfort? Kung komportable ang lahat, of course, it makes sense that you will feel peace. Because everything is comfortable. Hindi na siya peace that does not make sense. Get it? Nagets ba natin yun? Diba? But when we are put in a situation where it doesn't make sense for you to feel that peace, pero nakikita mo, kahit ano nangyayari sa paligid mo, nagkandaraiya na lahat ng mga nangyayari, yung pamilya mo nag-aaway na, the business is not doing good, the layoff ka sa trabaho, but you still feel that kind of peace. That's the peace that does not make sense. Sometimes, God doesn't stop the storm because He's using it to grow us. So God is not ignoring you. He is shaping you. He is not punishing you. He is preparing you. He is not trying to break you, but God is building you up.